Alright guys, so when you walk in, this is the overview of my Christmas decorated apartment. So we'll start off right when you walk in. I have this super cute Merry Christmas sign that I got from, I think it was Old Time Pottery. And also this beautiful Christmas tree that lights up. This is also from Old Time Pottery. And what I love about all my Christmas decorations is that these were all pieces that I used for my wedding decor, since I did have a Christmas themed wedding. So each year when I put these things out, I just remember where I placed them for my wedding. So they just hold such a special place in my heart, and I just love this little setup right here when you walk in. Then moving on, we have my dining room table. Little garland thing my aunt actually gave me. And then inside here, this is a vase that I already had. I normally had it at like my entryway table, but I decided to use it as a centerpiece and put like another one of the little Christmas light up trees that I got from Old Time Pottery. But in here, I just mixed together a bunch of like leftover flowers and stuff that I had laying around. So I'm pretty sure these gold ones are from like Walmart. These may be from Dollar Tree or Walmart, I honestly can't remember. And then these were just extra little pieces, I think that fell off of a Christmas decoration. So I just kind of mixed these together and put it here, and I thought it looked so cute, our little setup here. And then I love this little setup that we have here. This is actually the same way we set up our wedding like tables. We put little forks in these little Christmas stocking. So I just think it's such a cute touch for our table and makes it look super cute and festive. So that is the dining room. I think it looks so cute. All right, so now if you continue in the dining room, we have this little setup here. It's like a built-in little nook right next to the table. And we have that little sign that says, "Eat, drink, and be merry," which can't be more fitting since we're right in the dining room. I have a bunch of these little garlands that I just kind of filled with breath and little like, what are they called? Pine cones throughout the house. These are actually the same garland that I used for my centerpieces for my wedding. So we have like a whole box full of them. So you'll be seeing these garlands everywhere. Next year I do want to get some nicer ones. We just had so many of these left over from the wedding that you will see this a lot throughout my Christmas stick. But this is the entry nook once again. So in here, this is always here all year round, but it's super Christmassy because this was my wedding day picture. And as you can see, I have a Christmas bouquet. You can see the sign that I just showed you there. And this is just so special. And then here are my nieces, my sister and brother-in-law. This is their Christmas card. Tell me they are not the most adorable human beings ever. Like, what? How are you this cute? But like, how? So I have that there right at the entry table, and then this cute little decoration that, again, my aunt gave me when she was getting rid of some old Christmas decorations. So I just put that together real quick. And yeah, that's that little nook there with the dining room table. And then you come over here. And guys, this is probably my favorite part of my house. This is my little entryway table. And I love decorating this for fall and for Christmas. I just think it looks so cute and cozy and just perfect. So, starting off, I have these two vases, which I actually got from Ross for like $3. And then what's so special about these flower arrangements is that this one in particular was my actual wedding bouquet that I made myself. And I'm so happy that I decided to go with fake flowers and custom make it, because now it's something that I can use every year and it holds such a special place in my heart. If you guys want to see kind of like how I made my wedding bouquet, I can try to make another one for you guys if you're interested. It was so much fun and I'm so happy with how it came out. I just think it looks so beautiful. And then over here, this was actually one of my bridesmaids bouquets. For them, I just did like these flowers and some like baby breasts. But to balance it out for this part of my house so that they kind of look similar, I went ahead and added some more poinsettias, some white poinsettias, some little berries, just to kind of like fill it out some more. And I just love the way they look together. And then around here, again, I have the same garland that I used for the centerpieces of my wedding. And basically just to like spice it up a little bit, I went ahead and added these tiny little Christmas bows that I literally got from like Dollar Tree or Walmart for $1. I added some little pine cones that I got from, I believe, Old Time Pottery. And then some of them are from Dollar General as well. What's great about these is that they are like pumpkin scented. And then I have this cute little gold sleigh that again I got from my aunt when she was getting rid of some old Christmas decorations, and I put this pretty little sparkly bow on it. And guys, tell me these aren't the cutest things ever. These little pine cones. He has a little top hat and then she has a little veil. These were actually my wedding cake toppers, so I put them in here like they're going on a little sleigh ride. I just think it's so cute. And again, all of these decorations hold even more of a special place in my heart because now every time I put these out, I just think of my wedding cake and things like that, and it's just so much more exciting. And then this little gold guy here, I have, I just feel like he went perfect. He went with the vibe. And then another one of the little light up Christmas trees. I seriously love these. I want to say they came with like a pack of 3, so I just have them kind of sporadic throughout my house. But I just think they give such a pretty, like, glamorous little twinkle to anything. But this is probably my favorite part of the whole house. I just think it looks so festive and cute. So moving right along through here, we have my Christmas tree, which actually is already dying, which is why I wanted to film this video, because I was like, I have to show off my decorations before my tree like completely dies and just falls over. It looked a lot better before, but we literally got our tree in like November. But this is what it looks like. I love Christmas so much, so I love to go with more of a traditional take for the tree with a lot of reds and greens. I like it to look homey. I don't like for it to look too perfect, or else I feel like it doesn't look Christmassy. So that's just me. I know people like to go like super all out and like for their tree to match the aesthetic of their home. No, I will change the aesthetic of my home for Christmas because I just want it to be like throwing up Christmas in my house. This tree also has a lot of special little ornaments in it. So I wanted to show you guys. This is actually the Christmas ornament that Alex proposed to me with. And I just think it's so cute. That's us back in 2017. I love that my family always gets me custom ornaments and that Alex gets me custom ornaments, because then as we decorate the tree, we have these memories. This is an ornament of us on our wedding day. I think Alex got this for me last year. And I just think it looks so beautiful. Look at that bouquet. It's like so hallmarky. And then over here, this was the first ornament Alex got from me with our picture on it when we first started dating back in 2016. And where else do we have? This one I believe Alex's mom got for us. I think we have another one somewhere, but we basically just have all these cute little custom ornaments that just kind of take us back. My aunt got this for me when we just got engaged. So these all hold such special memories. Over here, this is my living room. Super cozy. So starting off with this little L that we have here. My mom actually made this for us, and this was again for our wedding day. I just think it looks so beautiful, and I love that we can reuse this decoration every year. And then in this little basket on my entry table, I have this just filled with like pine cones, Christmas ornaments, and bows. And this was actually the basket that our flower girl used for the wedding day. And then here is a custom little tree that says Noel on it that my aunt actually made for me. I think it's so beautiful. And these are cool. These are just some Polaroids from when we were decorating the tree this year. So I love having these little Polaroids out. So when we were Christmas decorating this year, I found a $50 bill in like one of our cards. So that was exciting. And then this is our little couch set up here. We added like this burgundy throw here to give it more of a Christmas pop. And then this one as well. The brown and beige one we have all year round, but these I wanted to add like a little Christmas touch to it. So I just think it looks so cute, warm, and festive. And then on our coffee table, we have this beautiful train that we got from Old Time Pottery. Again, this was a decoration that we used for our wedding. I have this beautiful Christmas book that I believe my grandfather got for me. And we just filled the back of this little train with, again, some more bouquets from the wedding. These were the ones that my bridesmaid carried. So I put these together. For the bottom of all of my wedding bouquets, I just wrapped them in this little like burlap thing, and it just gave it such a pretty touch. So I get to reuse these every year. And then again around the bottom, this is the same garland I use for my centerpieces. I got these from Joann's, I believe, for like 60% off. They were super cheap and they came really long, so I just like cut them, and that way I was able to get like more use for them at different places. And again, I just put these little pine cones around it. And this actually has nothing to do with Christmas decorating, but I love this book so much because again, we use this for our wedding day, and we had a little like Polaroid like picture station that people were able to take pictures and sign. And I love just going through this book. We had like a little Christmas backdrop too, if you can see there. So I just love going through this book. It brings back so many memories. I swear, I wish I could relive my wedding day like a million times. It was just so beautiful, so much fun, and the fact that I love Christmas and I had a Christmas wedding and now I associate the two together, it's amazing. I just put these little stockings on here. I want to say I got these from like Party City or something, and it was like a pack of like 100 for like $10 or something. They were super cheap, so I just have these kind of throughout my house. Here, I love that our apartment comes with these built-ins because I can put little Christmas decor here. So these little elves hooks I think are so cute. I have one here, then a little snowman guy up here. I have them there, and then I have this stocking that my best friend got from me. This one I think we got from like Dollar Tree. I just thought it was so cute and festive. And then I have this little snowman. I added the little sparkly bow to him to make him more festive. And some more little pine cones just to kind of fill it in and make it look more festive. I feel like normally I do a lot more with this area. Normally I'll put like the garland on the shelf, but this year I don't want it to be over cluttered because I already have so much stuff there as is. I still feel like it's a little cluttered, but that's what we got going on there. Lanterns, don't mind my router and all those cables, those look gross. But here I have these little lanterns, and these were actually the centerpieces for my wedding. So each, like for fall, I'll put fall leaves in there, and then for Christmas, I'll add some Christmas ornaments and wrap the garland around and put some pine cones. And then these lanterns are from IKEA. I want to say these are like $8 and these were like $12 or $10. And then I have like the little candles in there that do light up. So at night when I turn off all the lights and light these lanterns around my house, it looks so cozy and just festive. And then I also have the same little lantern setup right here, again with the little like Christmas ornaments, pine cones in there. I added little bows to the side of them too. And moving on to the kitchen. I feel like my kitchen is a little messy right now, but I'll show you guys what I have. I didn't do too much here. I just added the garland around the top. Again, this is the same garland that I got from Joann's that I used for my wedding centerpieces. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. And then I added some more of the little like stockings to the knobs. I thought that was such a cute little festive touch. I put two little bows on here to give it a little Christmas touch. And then added some like Christmas towels that are all wrinkly, so those gotta go, but they're still festive. And I just love the way the kitchen looks, especially at night when you turn off the lights and you just see the twinkle up there. I just think it looks so cozy. And then also in the kitchen, I have another little lantern with a little Christmas bow here. This is actually a wedding cake stand. So I just have that there, and I just think it looks cute. And then these two little like crystal Christmas trees. I honestly can't remember where I got these from. I also love being in the kitchen because you can see the Christmas decor in all of the house. It just looks so cozy and cute. And then time to go into the bedroom. So for the room, I really didn't do too much, but I do have it looking pretty cozy. So across the top of my bed, hey guys, across the top of my bed, I have again the same little garland. And then I just took these Christmas tree lights and kind of wrapped it around the garland. And then I added some little Christmas ornaments to give it more of a festive touch. have this cute little Christmas throw that ties in the tree skirt here. See that? So I got this. My grandma actually got this for me, I believe from a store called Ollie's. She said that they were so cheap. They're literally $5. So I'm gonna try to find them and link them down below. But it's such a cozy little blanket too. Like at night I always snuggle up with this and it's just so comfy. And then I have this little Christmas pillow, which actually this is a like cover. So I got this from Shein for no joke, like $2. And for different holidays, I just get different pillow covers and just put them on top of pillows that I already have. That way I'm not left with too many pillows and I can switch it up for like different times of the year. So I love this Merry Christmas one. I love how it kind of matches the blanket and it just gives our room such a cozy little touch. And then this is my beauty room. One day I'll do a beauty room tour. For now, I'm just gonna show you how I made it a little festive. So we'll start off with my little couch area here. These are the pillows in the back. All the white ones are the ones I always have, but I added this little Christmas Queen pillow. One of my close friends, Andy, actually bought this for me last year because she knows I'm obsessed with Christmas. So I love the way it looks on this couch, just making it look cute and festive. Should have added like Christmas flowers or something there. That would look super cute too. To the side, look at this atrocious mess. This is all of my Christmas shopping. So I need to start wrapping these up because there's like 10 days till Christmas and that has just all been sitting there. So yes. And then around here, this is my background for my videos. I love this garland. My sister actually gave this to me. I'm gonna have to ask her where she got it from, but it's so pretty. It has like sparkles in it, so it really, I feel like, fits the aesthetic of my background. And I just added some little twinkly lights in the back too. I have another one of those little light up Christmas trees. Hey guys. And I just think it looks so cute. Whenever I get ready, I just plug it in and it's just so nice and relaxing. I'll light my little candles here and it's just puts me in such a little Christmas spirit mood. And then that's my niece, Aria. This was us last Christmas Eve. And then real quick, I'll just show you over here. This is nothing special, but I just added, again, one of those little garlands and put some little Christmas ornaments on it to make it look cute and festive. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed something a little different and just getting some inspiration for Christmas decor. All of this stuff is super affordable and just super special to me, so I'm so happy that I decided to share it with you guys and that I wasn't too intimidated by all the other like beautiful, luxurious Christmas decorations. This seriously makes my heart so happy. I love this time of year. I hope that you all have a very Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday, whatever you celebrate. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!